across.
Well, let's turn to weather. It's been a while since we've seen some heavy rain.
And we are expecting some in the next couple of hours, actually very soon now. Our chief meteorologist, Isaac Williams, is tracking the severe weather coming our way. Isaac.
Yeah, just a few counties away from us here in the valley. Let's talk about it. We've got severe thunderstorm warnings north of the valley across the ranchlands up to the west side of Corpus Christi. We're now seeing a line of storms develop across deep South Texas as this push of energy arrives from the north and west. Now, we haven't seen any rain all day across the RGV. We have been waiting and waiting to see some of these active storms, and we're finally seeing those line up to the north and west. So let's take you in for a closer look into parts of Brooks and Jim Hogg counties here. We're looking at potential for damaging wind to about 60 miles per hour and hailstones maybe to the size of golf balls moving through this area. Same thing for the storm down in Zapata County, which seems to be strengthening. This severe thunderstorm warning expires at 10:30. That's in 5 minutes. I expect that to be extended into western Starr County very shortly. So if you live in and around the Falcon Lake area, it looks like that will be affecting, again, southern Zapata and western Starr counties in the next 30 to 45 minutes. And just across the border, even more storms are starting to form. In fact, where you see that white color there, that's indicating potential for 2 to 3 inch hailstones with that particular storm. Now, the rest of the valley is in a severe thunderstorm watch until 4 o'clock in the morning, and this means that conditions are favorable for severe weather for the rest of the night, basically, as these storms continue to slowly move through. I adjusted the timeline slightly. Basically, for the upper valley, it's now through about 2 or 3 a.m. that you'll see your storms. For the mid-valley, 1 a.m. to 6 a.m., the storms could linger. I expect them maybe to slow down a little bit, but for Edinburg, McAllen, Weslaco, Harlingen, and Raymondville, it's looking like it could start around 1 o'clock this morning as those storms move in from the ranchlands. And for the lower valley out toward Brownsville and even the island, you're going to have to wait a little longer. It looks like it may start there around 3 o'clock in the morning and could last past daybreak in the morning. So again, what we're looking at here obviously is a threat for damaging winds up to about 50 or 60 miles per hour. Large hail is certainly a possibility up to golf ball size. Flooding should not be a widespread issue. I think our soils can handle the heavy rain as it moves through. And since the storms are in a line, it doesn't look like that we're looking at any sort of tornado risk tonight. But of course, we'll be here for the rest of the night to keep you posted. So 11 o'clock Futurecast is right on the money. We're showing those storms are. And then they're going to be moving into the valley after midnight. And you can see that they are likely to maintain their intensity. This is 2 o'clock in the morning. Edinburg, McAllen, out toward Weslaco and Raymondville, seeing some of those strong storms. Then by 3 a.m., potentially Harlingen and over toward Port Mansfield, and then finally toward the lower valley by 4, 5, and 6 o'clock in the morning. But even after the heavy storms exit by sunrise, 6, 7, and 8 o'clock, it still could be raining in a few spots. I think the severe weather threat, though, will be winding down by that point. And then for the rest of the day on Wednesday, we're just left with nuisance, scattered light showers, maybe a brief downpour or rumble of thunder, but nothing incredibly significant. After tomorrow's high rain chance, we go back to low rain chances on Thursday and Friday to round out this week. And then Saturday brings us yet another increased chance for some showers and maybe again a rumble of thunder. Then back down on Sunday, just isolated showers there. And then Monday and Tuesday of next week looks like we start to dry out as well as heat up with temperatures back toward 90 degrees. That's the latest on your forecast. Stay with us. We're back after this.